Hi, welcome to ISE 2020, and this is our dynamic speaker by Arthur Holm. We're at the Arthur Holm booth, Hall 11, F155. This is a motorized speaker to be integrated into furniture. It's a 360 degrees speaker, coaxial drive. It's an active speaker, DSP technology inside, and it has been designed to be perfectly integrated into furniture. So it's good for conference rooms, it's good for huddle rooms, it's good for meeting spaces, and it improves the acoustic of the room because you have a very natural sound direction. It's very easy to integrate. You can control it by our app, our H-Link app. So you can control up and down, you can control the volume, you can control on and off, you can mute the speaker if you want. And if you would like to get more information, please visit us at arthurholm.com. Thank you so much.